Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video where yesterday I said we are going to be opening up the Hot Wheels Design Lab 5-pack. So today I am excited to do this because we're going to be opening up the new 2023 Design Lab 5-pack. So here's a look at the logo, and here's some of the cars that you've seen earlier in the previous video. Here's the back. It includes the Volkswagen Beetle, the Amazoom, the Ford Force, the custom 1977 Dodge van, and the cool one. So, are you excited to see it? Alright, I know you are. Let's get into it. I just found this at Walmart. Okay. Put the packaging to the side. Let's start off with the Amazoom, or the Amazoom. It has number 5 mathematics on the side. You can see a pencil right there with the eraser. There's 2 plus 3 up there with 5 on the side. Some math symbols, 90 degrees. Here's the other side. Same graphics on the other side. Up next is my favorite. It's the Volkswagen Beetle. Oh, it has some art details on the side. Here's the other side. There's no decals on the front or the back, sadly, but it has nice 5-spoke wheel rims in white and black wheels. It has silver chrome metal plastic base. It has a metal body. Alright, third car is the Ford Force. This is actually based on technology. I think its wheels glow in the dark, depending on these type of color wheels. Some people think it's white wheels, but they're actually glow in the dark. Well, I'll give this a test to make sure later on in the video. So hopefully you can see the glow in the dark wheels in the dark. I'll let it sit right here for now to see the wheels glow. Then we have the custom 1977 Dodge van. This is based on Engineering Depot. It has the orange interior inside. It's dark candy blue. Hot Wheels, and the Maggie graphics on there. Some gears. We have some gears going by for the engineering, based on engineering. There's a silver chrome plastic base, and of course metal body. Hey, this one's customized now. You can see now it has a sunroof, so you can see the inside. So I had some old releases of the Dodge van with a closed roof where it's just the lines are just bumps are on the top. Now they're giving it a casting change to see a sunroof. I like to see that. And lastly, we have Cool One. I have a white 2020 release of it, which was designed to be like an ice cream truck from a Tube series. I like the mixed wheels with a big 5-spoke star wheel with metallic metal flake magenta and aero disc in the front. There's the green engine tops over here. Some chrome exhaust pipes. I think this one had a casting change too, but I can tell by the metal over there. Or is it just me? Here's the base is plastic in blue. So yeah, that was the design lab of 5. So I also have the color shifters version of the custom 1977 Dodge van. Let's take a comparison. You can see the sunroof easily. This one has a glass for the sunroof, and this one does not. Nothing else much on the sides. Just the windshield is different. But yeah, I'm going to be testing out the Ford Force's glow-in-the-dark technique with Focus Force. I don't think it would work on camera, but you get the idea when you see these glow-in-the-dark wheels. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll hope you see you again soon in another video.